Kapag sinabing Taiwan, ang naiisip agad natin puntahan ay Taipei 101, Ximending Night Market, boba milk teas, and lots of tourist spots just around Taipei Center. Pero alam niyo bang bukod sa mga sikat na destinasyong ito, maraming pwedeng puntahan sa Taiwan? Isa na nga rito ang highest volcano in the country. Kaya di na ako nagpatumpik-tumpik pa, inakyat ko ang pinakamataas na bulkan sa Taiwan. Tara, samahan niyo ako dahil ang vlog na ito ay para sa mga taong may malayang imahinasyon at handang harapin ng hamon. Ako si Sonder Ben, matuto kasama ako dahil ito ang regalo ko sa'yo.
Mount Sisig. Success! Hey guys, tapos ko lang mag-prepare. I'm good to go. I'm a little excited, I don't know. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go. Target ko was to get out by 5:24. Thing is, may ginawa pa ako sa work. Medyo late ako nakalabas, but still pasok sa time range na gusto kong makaalis. Pupunta na akong Taoyuan MRT station. Really hoping be there or at least makakatch up ng HSR. Parang doon ako before or at least 7 a.m. Looks cloudy. I'm hoping magtuloy-tuloy para di din ang mainit habang nag-hike. Wala pa din masyadong tao. Okay. Nasa station na. Yung dating pa naman ng HSR is 6:44. We're actually early. Babagal ako na maglakad. And I need to change the shoes dahil uncomfortable siya ipang lakad. Yep. Fit lang yung shoes pero uncomfortable siya. Mas better pa rin yung slippers. So I think I'll use them if in case hindi okay naman yung daan. So may 15 minutes pa naman bago dumating yung HSR. Magpapalis lang ako ng shoes. Hiningal ako agad din yung mga tao nag-start na din to work, to go to their offices. So let's go. Platform 2 going to Taipei. Red line. We're going to red line. Fansui Sinshel line. Wow, wala. Hi, excuse. Where is the red line train station? Red line to Sinshel, Tamsui.
Oh, Tamsui.
Yeah.
好，从那边下去。
Yeah.
下线。
Okay. Ay, shushe. Nawala ako ng very light doon. Nakakalito talaga dito sa Taipei main station. So, tip is susundan nyo lang talaga yung mga markers even if hindi nakasulat. For example, yung train station na hinahanap nyo is red line. If it's going to Tamsui, it's going to be red. Susundan nyo lang yung red. So this is the train station that's going to the Longshuiken Trail. So we're just waiting for the bus. Medyo mahaba lang yung pila. Kulit lang kasi pinipila nila yung bus. Then upo na lang sila. Ito pala yung sa tapat ng Jantan Station, yung big ball na yan. Sobrang laki. So cool, very artistic. Ganda ng structure. Wait, this is it guys. Kakababa ko lang sa drop-off station ng Long Shui King. So I'm just gonna go do a 1-minute walk to the main trailhead. Then, doon ako magpe-prepare for the hike. Look. What a beauty. What a beauty. Look at that. The reason I'm doing this is my one chance to do a solo hike alone without a tour guide, and I've been wanting to do that pero hindi kasi pwedeng gawin sa Pinak. There should always be a tour guide sa atin. There are rules to do a solo hike kasi hindi pa siya ganun ka-safe. Dandahanin lang natin. Dandahan lang, Jarbs. Dandahan lang, Jarbs. Okay. So this is the visitor center. Ganda kasi look kung saan siya situated. Okay, let's go. I'm all good, guys. Ang galing lang dito kasi may visitor center sila before ka umakyat. They have the details kung ano yung mga routes na meron. And ito yung aakitin. I don't know if you can see it pero may mga like nakakulay blue upstairs. That's a full assault, guys. Susundan ko lang tong dalawang to. I think they are also taking the Long Shui King trail. Let's go. Mount Sising Main Peak, East Peak, 1.8 kilometers. Kaya natin yan, guys. Almost 2 kilometers. I'm not really sure. Dandahanin lang natin. Look, it's freaking full assault. Kaya. Let's go. Hindi ganang mainit. It's actually a little cloudy, a little cooler up here. Okay. I'll just take it easy. Living the dream, guys. One of the bucket list to do a hike alone, no tour guide, just a beautiful mountain. Oh wow. Whew. I love this. I love this so much. It's okay, it's okay. It's beautiful here.
Oh.
Beautiful. Okay, take care, take care.
Bye-bye.
1.2 kilometer. Kaya yan. Mali. Yan lang naman yung 1.2 kilometer. Let's go. So, ito yung daan nila, no? Simula nung umakyat ako, ganyan na siya. Paved yung way nila. Tapos they have a lot of this information on what animals, birds you'll see here in the Kising Park or Sising Park, which is very good kasi you actually see those animals and birds around, and it's good to know what are their names, their characteristics. Ang sarap umakyat sa ganito. Nakakapagod, yes, pero ang sarap umakyat nang alam mong safe siya akyatin. Bago pa natin marating yung peak look. Ganda. Taipei. We're almost there. Mga 200 meters na lang. Let's go! Ni hao. Almost there. Let's go. Yes. Sabi nila, Sising Mountain is a challenge for someone, but a challenge to everyone. So if nakaya ko, if I am 5'7", weighing 100 kilograms, kung nakaya ko, kaya nyo. Let's go! Let's go! So happy I did this. Sobrang ganda dito, guys. Worth it talaga yung 100% assault. Ni hao. Ni hao. No, I don't speak Chinese.
Where you come from?
I'm from Philippines.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright, take care. Bye-bye. So, yung inakyat ko was Ling Shui King na puro assault. So, it's very challenging. Yes, very challenging. Tapos, this is the East Peak. This is the East Peak. Ito yung isa sa peak nila. Then, ito yung pinaka main peak pa. So, bababa muna. Tapos, another akyat na naman. Yeah, it was 74 meters high na doon, starting from the Lingshui Keng. And this east peak is 1,107 meters high. So from the Lingshui Keng, it's roughly 300 meters high. The total height of the main peak is 1,120 meters. So konti na lang, and from here it's only 300 meters, I guess. This is very steep, guys. So careful lang, dahan-dahan. Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao. 谢谢。
你有在上面看到一只水蓝色雨伞吗？
I'm sorry, I don't speak.
哦，
你好。
你好。
Take care, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
So they're saying na ang pinakamahirap na trail is Miaopu. Intense daw yung trail doon. Earlier, it's challenging very much. Pero kaya naman. Kahit na mahirap siya akitin, it's much easier dahil sa mga nilagay nilang bato. Hindi nakakadulas. I'm not sure pag umulan. Hindi rin siya malumot naman. Whew. I love this. Kaya ko to. Lapit na. Let's go. I do it very slowly, slow pace. Pag nakakaramdam ako ng sobrang hingal, I pause. Hindi ko siya minamadali. Focus na. Also a chance for me to just enjoy the view, appreciate the scenic view of the mountain. It's also the path itself, sobrang ganda. These small bamboos gives a magical effect of this mountain. Lapit tayo, guys, let's go. Whew. So I'm not sure if fog yan. I'm thinking it's the volcanic vent kasi it's nangangamoy bulok na itlog. Crazy. And dun siya, on the other side siya. We'll see it later. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Look. Let's go. Mount Sisig. Success. First solo hike, no tour guide. So dito tayo nanggaling earlier. Tapos dito tayo bababa. On the other side. Doon yung may mga volcanic vent. Let's go. Look guys, nakakatuwa dito. Kung sino umaakyat, mga local na elderly. Ayun guys, may mga bata. Nakakatuwa. Bata pa lang, natuto na mag-hike. Sana all. Sobrang swerte talaga. Hindi maaraw. Hanggang ngayon, cloudy siya. Pero I think mawawala na. I think kaaraw na ng kaunti. Cloudy, tapos cool yung air. best day to hike. Ni hao. Hello.
Butterfly wings.
Ni hao. Ni hao. Hello. Cute. Cute oh, bata nag-hike na. Habang nakaka-happy kasi yesterday, sobrang ina-anxiety ako na hindi ko siya magagawa. Una, the weather. Sobrang init. Pangalawa, I've been very tired dahil na rin sa mga tour namin. Dapat kahapon ako mag-hike. Pero hindi ko nagawa dahil napagod ako and hindi ko siya kayang gawin dahil 2 hours lang itulog. Hi, ni hao.
Hi.
Ni hao. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, ni hao. Oh, sorry. Ni hao. Pag dito pala, pag-aakit ka, nakakatawang bumati sa kanila. They will greet you back. Anyway, going back. So, ang ginawa ko na lang kahapon is pinahinga yung buong araw dahil we kind of scheduled it naman talaga. Pahinga siya kahapon. After na nakapahinga na, I felt better. Tinuloy ko na siya. Getting emotional kasi first time ko itong gagawin and it's one of my bucket list na mag-hike solo, walang tour guide. It's very fulfilling talaga gawin. Ikaw lang yung magtitiwala sa sarili mo to do it. Nakaka-proud. I'm just so happy. This will be a core memory na dadalhin ko forever. Oh wow. Ni hao. Ni hao. Look. So beautiful. So nice. Whew. Wait. Hindi ako naniniwalang yan yung inakyat ko. What? I think I'm halfway through. Medyo nagiging strong na yung amoy ng bulo. Oh, it's here. Look. Wow. Yan lang oh. Wow. Medyo mainit. They actually advise or warned na wag basta-basta humawak ng bato. Pag-aakit kayo dito, careful lang. Wag basta-basta humawak ng bato. Wow. Medyo nag-warm actually ang temperature dito banda. Wow.
GoPro 还是
Yeah.
好厉害。
Take care. Bye bye. Again guys, if you are here, please be reminded, please do not touch the rocks. We are almost done, guys. Patapos na. Kapit na, kaunti na lang. Nakikita ko na yung visitor center. That's it. Pahinga na ng kaunti, then biyahe na pabalik to Taipei. Wow, this is very steep.
So after ng hike, pagkababa ko, nakita ko agad on the right yung bus stop. Straight ahead yung Xiaoyuking Visitor Center, then on the left yung biggest volcanic vent.
Nakakatuwa yung ate sa visitor center. Sobrang inassist niya ako kahit may language barrier. She knows a little of English. So I was actually looking for a ref magnet, and wala pala dun sa floor na kung saan siya nag-i-stay. It's actually below. Pero nung nag-check kami, sinundan niya ako to also assist me and talk to the vendor sa baba. Unfortunately wala, even ref magnet wala. So it's okay. And nakakatawa kasi nagpag-chikahan siya ng kaunti. Nakakatawa. So this is the parking lot. That's the visitor center. Okay, eto na yung bus. Look, may parating na bus. Yeah. Sorry. Mukhang may mga parating pa lang.
Yung sinakyan ko pa uwi ay bus 108. Bumaba lang ako sa Yangmingshan bus station. From there, sumakay ako another bus. Yung number ng bus ay I5 that took me back to Jantan Station. As far as hiking goes, kahit na ito ang pinakamataas na bundok sa Taipei, wala kang dapat ikatakot na akitin ito. Una, madaling puntahan. Ikalawa, madaling akitin. Beginner-friendly siya. Ikatlo, mababait ang mga tao na makakasalubong mo. That said, if you are in Taiwan, huwag mong kalimutan na isama sa listahan ng pupuntahan ng Mount Sising. Hanggang dito na lang. Kita-kita muli sa susunod na paglalakbay.